artist. Welcome back to Mrs. Lee's studio. In today's challenge, I'm going to show you how to use contour line to draw everyday objects around you. I'm going to show you how to turn those everyday objects into fun, cool, fun characters using your imagination and creativity. Did I say fun twice? That means double the fun. Here we go. Hi guys, so today I'm focusing on contour line. A contour line in art is when you draw the outside edge of an object using line. Today I just picked some simple things around my room so you can really look around and just choose anything that you would like to draw. I chose a crayon, a bottle of glue, and scissors. Today I'll start with the simplest object, a crayon, and I'm just observing the different shapes. So I'm observing it closely and drawing the little oval on the bottom. I'm drawing straight lines for the side of the crayon, a curved line at the top, and I know that the top used to be kind of like a triangle shape before I used it. And then it has the edge of the paper, and I'm gonna draw these black wavy line decoration things so everyone knows it's a crayon. Okay. Oh, that was easy. Next, we'll move on to something a little bit more challenging, the glue. With the glue, I'll start with, it looks like a rounded bottom, and make it much wider than the crayon. And then it goes up into like a rectangular shape with rounded corners at the top. It looks like it used to have a label here, which is also like a round rectangle. And then I'm gonna draw the top. First, on the bottom, I see two lines come up to connect to the white top. Then it has the white part, which is curved and has lines on it for texture so your fingers can grip on, and then it has a little bit of space on the bottom between the orange part and the white part, and that part goes up and then into a point like a triangle, and then it has a line texture at the top. And there's my glue. And last, I saved the more difficult one for last. I'm gonna start with the shapes of the holes where the fingers grip. That looks like a fatter oval to me and a longer, skinnier oval. And I think it would look interesting if it was open like that. So I'm gonna start again, looking closely. My eyes are always looking here and back at here to compare. And I'm drawing the circle, the skinnier circle, the handle, the yellow and red handle, and then I see this part that juts out, gets wider at the bottom. I see this circle part that connects, and then it connects to these handles, and then I see the bottom blades coming out, and the blade connects to this handle, and this blade connects to this handle. And there's my scissors. I have my beautiful contour line drawing of 3 common items. So, and then to make it a little fun, I printed out some cute, fun characters to add to my contour line drawing. So you can do that too. If you want different expressions or faces, just look online and have your mom and dad help you search for faces. So let's see. Ooh, that star face looks cool. I like that cute face and this open mouth face. Let me try that. So we'll start with this star face, and this one seems to have the biggest space for the stars. So I'm gonna draw the stars. He's starstruck. I'm gonna draw the mouth, which looks like a U, a tongue. I'll color in the black part of the mouth, and it has the cheeks. And I'll color that later. And then for the crayon, I'll draw this cute little face, since I just have a little bit of space. Oh, the mouth. and some cheeks. And I'll use pink. So cute. For the scissors, it's gonna be a little tricky to find space, but I'll put it here. And actually, I wanna do a different kind of eye. So let me try, let's try this one. It's like a face that's a little upset and it could be looking at the glue. So I'll change the direction of the eyes and I'll draw the little white circle. And I'll draw the mouth and the pink cheeks. Oh, how cute. And to make it even more cute, I'll make some movement lines, which are basically 1 or 2 or 3 curved lines to show that it's moving. And the scissors especially move. And then I'll do the crayon. And then maybe I'll draw a background or color in a fun background. And I'll draw some clouds. These characters are going to be outside enjoying the nice weather. And you know what? For the heck of it, I'm going to also add some characters on the clouds. Some faces on the clouds. Faces make everything more fun. And draw this. I'll draw this one. Some green grass. And I remember from another challenge that I showed you how to do a ground line without cutting down my objects. Looks like I missed a spot and I can color that. And okay, I'm done. Thanks, guys. Adios. See you next time.